There she is.
Hi.
Hi, Nimrit.
Hi.
पहचाना? पहचाना? नहीं पहचाना, अभी भी
No,
नहीं
of
पहचाना.
course. No, 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 no,
पहचाना?
no, no. मैंने तभी पहचान लिया था when I saw the picture.
अच्छा, okay.
What's
How are
up?
you?
Good. How are you?
I am good. I'm great. कैसा जा रहा है आपका क्वारंटीन?
Uh, फिलहाल तो मैं ऐसे 24 घंटे से ऊपर हो गए हैं कि मैं सोई नहीं हूँ. तो मैं काफी ज्यादा स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड हूँ. But otherwise it's fine. It's not bad.
Why haven't you slept?
So
If
I
I
haven't
may.
slept because I was cleaning.
The
Yeah.
entire
So yeah, I was cleaning the entire night. So basically, we guys shifted to a new house, and while that was happening, I wasn't here. So all of my stuff was packed in boxes. So
okay.
finally, I was on a cleaning spree, and then I promised myself that now I'm going to do all of it. So clothes, stationery, books, all of it. So since yesterday in the afternoon I started, and then finally I've been awake till now. And I was super tired. I finished at like 11 in the morning, and then but I knew if I sleep, then I'll miss the live, and I had to meet you guys. So yeah, that.
तो मेहर आपको वो सेट वाली फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है? यू यूज्ड टू बी रियली बिजी, वेरी कॉट अप, हमेशा
Yeah.
जल्दी. तो इसी तरह काम करते थे आप? घर का अगर कुछ काम रहता था, हाउ डिड यू मैनेज योर होम वर्क्स, व्हेन व्हाइल यू हैड योर शूटिंग्स ऑन?
Um, there was no other option but to figure out a way. मुझे याद है, especially जब हमें सर्बिया जाना था. So usually when you're traveling, you need to like shop for few basic things, and it's not like my parents live in Bombay, so I could have requested them. So I remember I actually requested a friend of mine, and she was so sweet. She came all the way on the set. She took my card, my driver, and then she was literally video calling me ki acha, should I get you this, do you want this? So she did a lot of my shopping. So yeah, I think thank God for friends who are like family, who sort of help me in that aspect. But yeah, it's crazy, it's madness. It is.
एक बंदी थी, शी वाज सेइंग दैट उसका बर्थडे है. आई लॉस्ट हर नेम, आई डोंट नो वेयर डिड इट गो. कैन यू
Oh,
जस्ट विश हर? मैं, शी वाज सेइंग कि
yeah.
मेरा बर्थडे, आई एम नॉट
Yeah,
श्योर, आई जस्ट मिस.
I'm just gonna. Oh yeah. So it's Kitru Povali. I don't know how to pronounce this right. मैंने wish कर मेहर मेरा birthday है. This one? Hi,
आज
happy
में
birthday.
पंजाबी में
Okay.
लिखा था उसने.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So it's a guy, and hi, happy birthday. I hope you have a great one.
मेहर, जब भी मैंने आपको सेट पे देखा है, सेट पे जब भी देखा है, आप हमेशा शूटिंग्स में बिजी,
Yeah.
मतलब हमेशा भागा दौड़ी रहता था आपके सेट पे. अभी आपको कैसा लग रहा है? मुझे बहुत बेताबी है ये जानने का, क्योंकि आई रिमेम्बर कि आप बहुत परेशान रहती थी. 24/7 आप लोग का शूट चलता रहता था.
Yeah.
फिर लेट जाना, तो जाहिर है कि आप जब लेट जाते हो तो काफी टाइम आपको आने में भी सेट पे लेट हो जाता है. नींद आप लोगों को नहीं मिलती थी, सब में एक
Yeah.
चिड़चिड़ापन सा रहता था. अभी कैसा लग रहा है? अभी जो आप जिस मोड में हो, कैसा लग रहा है?
I honestly feel कि ये जो लॉकडाउन हुआ है, in general, it's something that was much needed. Because I feel कि हम लोग अक्सर, we're always in that rat race and we're always running around. And I don't think कि consciously हम में से किसी को भी ये लाइफ में हम खुद से कभी pause लेते. So I feel like it's like a blessing in disguise in this thing to introspect, that we have really taken everything for granted. We have taken our health for granted. हमने environment को for granted लिया हुआ है, अपने lifestyle को for granted लिया हुआ है, and we are not investing it the right way.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I'm just very glad that this happened, क्योंकि I think life में अगर लंबी रेस का घोड़ा होना होता है तो you have to take those conscious pause buttons to sort of recoup and rejuvenate, because थोड़ा humanly impossible होता है, otherwise to be able to work like that, and we are all not machines. So um, I think it's a blessing in disguise that this has happened. Yeah.
तो मेहर, ये तो हो गई कि किस तरह से आप इस टाइम को जो है यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, या कितना अच्छा हुआ जो जो भी हुआ एज एन एनवायरनमेंट के लिए या आपके हेल्थ के लिए। ऐसे जिस
Yeah.
तरह की हेक्टिक शेड्यूल रहती थी, उसके बारे में बताइए कि कितना रिलैक्स फील करिए। आज को छोड़ दीजिए क्योंकि आज आप सो ही नहीं है पिछले 24 आवर्स में।
Yeah.
Keeping that apart, keeping that aside, what do you have to say? How have you been spending this entire quarantine time?
I've really been enjoying it, quite frankly, because I think कि जो मेरा दिमाग था वो इतना ज्यादा एग्जॉस्टेड था, और जो मेरी बॉडी थी वो इतनी ज्यादा ओवरवर्क्ड थी, that I needed to sort of slow down. I like waking up to not having a deadline, not having constant stress on my head. कि अभी मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, कुछ नहीं करना, just कहते ना, sometimes to not do anything is also amazing. आई थिंक एक साल बाद मुझे टाइम मिला है घर पे रहने का, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आई एम गेटिंग टू स्पेंड दैट विद माय पेरेंट्स. आई थिंक दैट वाज आल्सो मच नीडेड, क्योंकि आई रियली मिस देम. सो जस्ट, एंड आई थिंक वन थिंग जो मुझे एक और बहुत अच्छी लग रही है वो है कि आई एम एबल टू डू थिंग्स जो मैं otherwise नहीं कर पाती हूँ. So whether it's taking care of my skin as much, whether it is reading, catching up with friends, trying to cook. So ये जो सारी जो leisure पे चीजें हो सकती हैं और होती हैं वो फाइनली करने को मिल रहा है. So I'm really liking it.
तो क्या क्या कर रही हैं अभी तक? आपको कुकिंग ऐसे आती है? सबसे पहले ये बताइए,
I
क्योंकि हाँ
hate
कोई
it. I hate it. I
तो
hate
अभी
cooking. I hate it. But
कुकिंग
हाँ,
कुकिंग सीखा कब था आपने?
कभी नहीं. That's the point. कभी नहीं सीखी
ओके,
मैंने.
आपको
I hate cooking. I hate it. मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद गाइस. मैं बस कोशिश करती हूँ, because I think it is very important, not just for every girl but for every guy also, to know how to cook. I think it's like a basic necessity अपने आप को to be able to feed yourself. So yeah, I hate it, but because there is so much time, and because my mom always says, कि कुछ तो आना चाहिए ना, मुझे कुछ तो आना चाहिए. So I've started to enter the kitchen, but I only make fun things. वैसे hardcore dal sabzi is not my thing. So fun things I make, like I make chia pudding, and I will make a nice sandwich, and I'll make pizza, or yeah, so fun stuff.
मेहर, तो अभी अगर मैं पूछूं, क्वारंटीन के डेज में आपने कुछ बनाया अभी तक?
हाँ, मैं बनाया ना. मैंने अपनी इंस्टाग्राम पे वीडियो भी शेयर करी थी. इट्स मी मेकिंग चिया पुडिंग विद माय मॉम, एंड उसके अलावा आई हैव मेड पिज्जा, एंड आई हैव मेड दिस थिंग, sandwiches that I keep eating, and I've gained weight because of it. My cheeks have also come out.
नो नो,
So I'm just feeding myself. Yeah.
अच्छा मेहर, ऐसा लग रहा है क्या कि बहुत सारे लोग बहुत तरह के मीम्स भी बन रहे हैं कि लोगों के पास मतलब कुछ काम
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं
है,
है.
जाहिर है। हाँ, मेरे को बोलने में बड़ा वियर्ड लग रहा है, कोई बुरा ना मान ले, लेकिन सब खा बहुत रहे। आपके साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है? क्योंकि
Yes,
व्हेन आई
it
आई
happens.
आई हार्डली
Yeah.
गेट टाइम टू, बहुत कम,
Yeah.
2 मील मेरा फिक्स है। अभी मैं 5 टाइम खा रही हूँ। आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विथ मी। आई माई
So
सेल्फ आई एम डूइंग दिस। या
this is something that I've noticed about myself also, and I think ये सबके साथ हो रहा है. So जब मैं भी शूट कर रही होती हूँ, and because you're working constantly, इसलिए you're burning also calories. Plus, my meals का quantity is comparatively very lesser, and I don't eat that much. But this is happening with me also. I feel like I'm just eating. You know, I'm getting bored and I'm like, ab kya karu? Oh, let's eat this. You know, it's not become, and it has turned into an event. Oh, I'm watching this, so maybe I can have like popcorn with this. So, you know, stuff like that is happening, which is also leading us to having unhealthy things, you know. um I think we need to really stop buying them, क्योंकि my mom also I went niche and I got like biscuits and, you know, like, oh, maybe some Coke and then aerated drinks I picked up, and all of this is not good because I'm actually having it. So I was feeling very frustrated, which is why मैंने इनफैक्ट अपने लिए कल टाइम टेबल भी बनाया है. So I told my dad to print out sheets, and I made those timetables, and I've told myself that I'll do something every day related to skincare and fitness and books and movies, and hopefully I'll have something to do except for eat.
मेहर, लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया है आपको छोटी सरदारनी में, बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मिला है, आपके सीरियल की टीआरपी भी बहुत ही अच्छी है। ये बताइए कि आपको जब ये कैरेक्टर ऑफर किया गया था, ये रोल ऑफर किया गया था, यू आर अ वेरी यंग गर्ल, बहुत लोग, बहुत स्पेशली एक्ट्रेस ऑब्वियसली नहीं लेना चाहते हैं ऐसे रोल्स, क्योंकि आप यंग हैं एंड कमिंग आउट विद सच अ ह्यूज बेली एंड एवरीथिंग।
Yeah.
हाउ डिड यू टेक इट? मैंने आपका एक पोस्ट भी देखा था, आपने कोई पोस्ट भी शेयर किया था इंस्टा पे या किसी सोशल मीडिया पे कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, या ऐसा कुछ था, मुझे याद नहीं एग्जैक्टली।
Yeah, it
तो
was for
हाउ,
she the people it was one of, they had quoted me in my interview. Yeah. So it is true that when I think जितने भी मेरे मतलब जो producers हैं हमारे, जो सारी team है, when they were auditioning people also, तो जो भी ऑडिशन में जाता था सबसे पहले उसको यही बताया जाता था, ओ बाय द वे, हाँ आपको प्रेग्नेंट होना, लाइक यू आर प्लेइंग अ मदर एंड यू हैव टू बी प्रेग्नेंट. दैट वाज आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग जो वो हर इंसान जो ऑडिशन करने के लिए आता था उसको बताते थे, बिकॉज आई थिंक लाइक यू सेड a lot of people were not comfortable with the idea or not very everybody was very apprehensive about it. I think the only reason I did not feel scared even for a second, in fact, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा था. Like this was one of the reasons why I actually felt that wow, this is something different on TV. Is because, you know, never on Indian television has a woman been shown ki she is carrying a love child, and you know how she's getting married to a widower and then he also accepts her. And I don't think like ever something like that, or women have been shown in that aspect on the small screen, which also speaks volumes of how times are changing and how we are moving in the right progressive direction. And you know, it's the 21st century, and it's the time where all men and women are feminists. You know, we are treating and eyeing everybody equally. And I felt that this script had that potential, so which is why I was never scared, and I took it more as a challenge, you know. Plus I also feel very proud of myself, and I say this in all modesty, is that I'm very glad that I believed in the power of the story and of the character more than um, you know um, this mistake that often actors also do is ki you think of you as that character when all you should be thinking about is just that character.
yeah, is
You
this
know,
a fiction character that you're playing?
yeah. So what I mean to say is that the story is always bigger than you. One has to remember that. And you know, the character's journey and the character's story is always bigger than you. So if you remember that and if you respect that, then you will never be in a position where you start, you know, where you feel that, oh, I am playing the lead, so you know, I look good like this, or this should be my look. Do you understand? So I may
Yeah.
want like a certain look, or I might want a certain hairdo or a certain kind of makeup style because I feel that I look the best in it. Whereas it's not about me, it's about who I'm playing. So if you keep that on the highest pedestal, I think everything else will fall in place. Which is why I feel that everything worked for this show and like has been working for this show, and that's what I hope it continues to do that. Yeah.
I'll tell you something. जब भी I used to go on the shoot, Film City में every day I used to come to your set.
Yeah.
I used to love you guys, especially Chhoti Sardani people, everyone, be it director, producer, or be it, you or Sarabjit, Avinash.
Yeah.
Everyone was so good and so frank, so humble actually. मेरे को आप दोनों की जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. In fact, there are people who love you guys as a pair, who love you guys as a couple, and that is the reason this show has been so hit. ये बताइए कि Avinash on the set, I've seen him. बहुत कम time you guys get, and I've hardly seen you guys doing masti or something like that. But yes, कहीं ना कहीं Avinash जो है आपका टांग बहुत ही always pulls your leg, right? So tell me about how you guys used to have fun jab you are not that busy on set.
So I think it is very, very important um, for everybody on set, firstly, to be extremely passionate about what they're doing and love what they're doing, which I feel I'm very lucky. Like you said, जब भी आप भी set पे आते थे and you meet everybody, you would see everybody on nice energy levels. So touch wood, that's the case, because I think everybody in every department loves what they're doing and they truly believe in what they're doing, which is why it translates so beautifully. Shooting with AV has always been amazing. It's true that हमारे पास कभी ऐसा time नहीं होता and all of that, but I think the key is always to keep ourselves motivated and to push each other, through, like, I remember that we were shooting for 2 days continuously, and it was the third day. And in the end of that 3-day continuous shoot, the last bit was a fight sequence. And we were like very low in energy, and he was just like, I can't do this anymore. And I was like, let's just play Mission Impossible music and pretend that we are agents, and and then we both had a blast, so much so that I actually hit one of the guys and he bled, and that was like a oops moment that happened, that we got so carried away. But yeah, I think that's the key, just to not forget why you're there and just to sort of keep pushing each other. So it's been very fantastic.
And what about Param, जो बच्चा play करता है आपका सरबजीत का? What about that kid? She's a girl and she's playing. She's a girl in reality. She's a girl and playing a boy. और बहुत अच्छे से आप की जो chemistry है वो दिखती है screen पे, और कहीं ना कहीं वो chemistry जो है ना वो set पे भी दिखती है. तो how do you guys connect with it?
It's very important for everybody. I feel that, it's very important for all co-actors to have a good equation, off camera, so that it's that nice on screen also, because you can't lie in front of the camera. Kavina, she is amazing. She's 5 years old, and I think hats off to her and her parents, because I've never seen a child who is this enthusiastic and this fantastic at whatever she does. The kind of hours that she also has to put in, and the kind of energy levels that she has, it's amazing and it's brilliant. And I think a lot of it is also because she loves what she's doing, which is why every time I look at her, I realize that if anybody loves whatever they're doing, they don't mind it. Like a 5-year-old is also okay shooting for so many hours and not feeling tired because she just loves it. And then I think she's a very gifted child. So we are very lucky to have her. Yeah.
At times, doesn't it gets irritating or something like that, because when she's a child, when you shoot with children, at times they are stubborn, they're not ready to do few shots, they're not ready for the camera or stuff like that. Is it irritating at point of times?
So that's what I'm telling you. We've never faced that with her. You know,
Okay.
she's very cooperative. We've never had to deal with any tantrums or mood swings or anything at all. She's very flexible. She's very easygoing. In fact, she's good at what she does. You know, she'll always remember her lines. She always remembers the continuity. She will keep, in fact, reminding us. So she's very proactive that way. So touch wood, we have never had to be in that space, you know, where the child is, you know, acting up or something. Nothing at all. Not at all.
Nimrat, do you play games?
Online or like on the phone or
Yeah,
just otherwise?
No, online. Because
I've just started playing Ludo. That too because of the lockdown. Because everybody all my co-actors and everybody plays Ludo. So that's it. I don't play any other game.
Because someone has asked अपनी PUBG की ID बताओ निमृत. मेरे को लगा आप PUBG खेलते हो. I would have been the first person to add you then.
Really? No, guys. I don't play. Sadly, I've never really had the time to explore PUBG. But I think now I will. I should. And then I can share my ID with you all. I think that would be nice.
It's underscore Gandhi has written मेरी पूरी family तोड़ी fan है.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Hello. I never, so I'll ask you something. आप colors पे ही आता था Big Boss, right? Did you ever get time to watch Big Boss?
So I would sometimes keep a tab on the snippets on and off. Of course, I never had the time to watch my own show to be able to watch anything else. But I was very lucky that I got to go inside the Big Boss house twice. And yeah, that was fun. A lot of fun.
So अगर आपको Big Boss house में बुलाया जाए अगली बार कभी भी, would you want to go?
See, it's not happening in the near future because I have Chuti Sadani to do. And whether I would want to do something like this or not, I can't really say right now because you know you change with time and your wants also change. So as of now, I have no such wants.
Let's just take few questions from your fans.
Yeah.
Eliza Vetalivkina. ऐसा तो नाम क्यों रखते हो भाई बहन? Love from Ukraine.
Oh, thank you.
Someone has written नहीं जाएगी निम्बो Big Boss में.
हाँ, नहीं जाऊंगी.
ये बताएं मेहर, अभी आप recently you guys went out for shoot.
To Serbia. Yes.
How was it?
It was a lot of fun. Only because I felt that I was stepping, I feel like the moment you step out of your own set, and even though you're with the same people, and because you're in a new place and it's not India and it's outside, and Europe is beautiful. So just to be out, I think everybody's energy levels were different. It was, I mean, the way we shot it, it felt like we were on a film shoot. The fact that you can only shoot there for 12 hours. So how, it was a challenge for all of us also because, we had limited days and limited hours. So it was a lot of teamwork, like coming together because we had less daylight and outdoor sequences and beautiful locations and just getting to explore new cuisine, new culture and people, and the vibe of it was just amazing. I hope we get to go again soon. I hope somebody from Colors is listening to this and makes this happen.
मेहर मेरी जबान पे मेहर ही है. निमृत ये बताएं कि जब आप वहां गए, so you must would have met your fans, right? How different it is to meet someone abroad when you see your fans are there as well. How do you feel? How do you take that excitement?
It is very overwhelming. The fact that people actually are so well versed and so well aware of this show, and the kind of love that they have for this show, and it's just too overwhelming, you know, because what happens is when you guys are like when we all are shooting constantly um on set, it's not like we're stepping out to um to even encounter a situation like this. And even if we do in India, it feels like, ha, theek hai, I mean, probably people must have seen because you know, it's a show which is loved. But when that happens, when you're outside, it sort of feels very overwhelming, and you feel very blessed, and it's very surreal just to feel that we genuinely are very blessed. I feel, you know, to be able to get so much love across the globe. It's just too good to be true.
Do you read books? Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I do. I used to read before a lot, and then came the pause button in life where I didn't have the time to read. So one of the reasons why I'm actually very happy that I have time is because I'm getting to read again.
Would you like to suggest few books for your fans?
Yes, so there is this one book, guys, that I'm reading right now, which I absolutely love, and I've um like even though I've read a bunch of books, but I think I haven't read a book this nice. So it's called The Book Thief, and it's by you love it? Right? It's so good. And
Amazing.
and guys, if you feel that you're not a book person and you don't want to read it, then you can go watch the film. And the film is also called The Book Thief,
Exactly.
and it is amazing. So yeah, that would be my suggestion.
Oh my God, lovely suggestion. I love the book thief too. ये बताएं Meher कि apart from, I'm sorry if I'm calling you Meher again and again.
That's okay. I feel good.
I'm a,
It's nice. It's nice because after a very long time, you know, I'm being called this, so it's completely fine.
सच की आदत मुझे आज भी लगी हुई है because you know apart from set I've never spoken to you. We have never
Yeah.
been
Yeah.
talking, so that's why. ये बताएं apart from reading books, what are your qualities? I mean, what are your hobbies? What is that you love doing?
Okay. So, of course, there are a lot of outdoor. So, I've always been a very athletic and a very sports junkie. I love to swim. I used to love playing basketball a lot. I hate the fact that, you know, because of the lockdown, we can't really play. I love playing badminton. I'm very good at it. So I like doing these outdoor things. I also have very weird things that I really like. So I'm someone who loves stationery and collecting stationery. In fact, you know what? I'm going to show you guys because I cleaned it. So here's this drawer of mine, which is just loaded with a lot of stationery. Like I feel like I could have my own shop. And
Seriously.
yeah, and also I love collecting erasers. I don't know why, but I do. So yeah, so I have an eraser collection too, guys. So I'm very weird like that. So
These are all one box.
yeah, that's all. It's all a box full of erasers. Yeah, see. So
I don't
there's
believe you.
yeah. So this is
Very
just this
unique.
one up. See, it's a dragonfly, guys. I love it.
Oh my God, this is so cute.
Yeah. So I do all of these weird things. So I love craft work and I love you know, just collecting stationery. So this is a known fact about me. That you know, when I was every time that I would be upset, my mom always knew how to cheer me up. She would just go to the stationery shop and she would either get me a bunch of erasers or she would like buy me a new pencil box. So I love
That
collecting.
is so sweet. And I'll tell you something, this is something so unique. I've hardly come across people collecting erasers, but I've seen, obviously, there are people who collect way
Yeah.
more weird things than erasers. So, I
So this is also one thing that I love collecting. And the other fetish, that weird fetish that I have, is that I love collecting junk jewelry. So all of it is lying in Bombay. But when I was in college, I would specially come to Delhi. Say if I've come to Delhi for 2 days, so I would go all the way. I'll take the metro to Paharganj, and in Paharganj there is a very nice, the market over there is very nice for silver and for junk jewelry. So I would just pick up so many earrings, so many earrings. I can't even tell you the number of earrings I have. Like it's beyond like 500 pairs. I have those many. Yeah, it's true.
I have been to Delhi only once, and the market that I love is, what do you call that? अरे वो लगता है
Sarojini?
ना सरोज.
Ah, yes. Sarojini के कपड़े पहन के जाती Madam Disco. Yes, it's true.
You've been,
We've all.
you've been. When was the last time you went to Sarojini?
When was the last time I went to Sarojini? Yeah, I went in college only. Oh, after that, I had to really like upgrade myself in terms of like even today, I can go to Sarojini and shop. I think Sarojini is fantastic, and you can really get good stuff. But I just never had the time post college. So this was 2018. Yeah, 17.
ये बताएं. Okay. Apart from collecting erasers, what else do you like? I mean, as in, not erasers, as in. And what do you do with so many, इतने सारे stationery things say, what do you do? As in, you love painting. Have you ever painted?
So I'm not a good painter because I
Sketching?
just have very, yeah, so I'm someone who's very good with craft work. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm good with craft work, then I'm good with coloring and everything. So I have those, those adult paint books that you have. So a friend of mine had gifted a bunch of them to me because they're apparently good with, to de-stress yourself. So I would sometimes do that. And in general, I just love collecting. So I also love collecting bookmarks a lot. Yeah, which is also again a very different kinds of bookmarks. So I have two which I'm very proud of, which are very special. So one is this. So it's a little dead now, as you can see. So this is one bookmark which I find very cool. And there is also this, a paw bookmark. So I have different kind of bookmarks also, which are lying here and there in the room. Yeah, admitting to my weirdness and my weird side, guys. Hi. This was fun.
Actually, you know what? People have been commenting. It's very cute. It's very cute. It's very cute. अगर मैं इधर देख रही हूँ तो आप बुरा मत मानना because I'm trying to monitor the comments and I'm trying to take
Yeah.
guys. If I'm not taking your names, but I'm trying to ask as many questions as you guys are asking. मैं फिर से मैं ये बताएं कि you like music?
Yeah, I like music. I do. Yeah.
किस तरह के गाने आपको पसंद है? Idioms मत बोल.
No. So honestly, it has changed with age. Like I remember, the first time that I was in 4th grade was when I heard Linkin Park for the first time. So I was like very much into it. And Meteora had just released, and I was like, one thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard to try, keep that in mind, So that was a phase. And then there was a One Love for the Mother's Pride, the blue phase, yeah. And then eventually I also, so there was also, because of my mom used to listen to Boney M a lot. So I used to listen to those kind of, that kind of genre also. And now I feel that I really, there's no specific genre as such that I like, but there is just a bunch of songs that I keep listening to. So there are certain singers. So if I have to name a singer, I would say I really like Arijit Singh. Amongst our amongst the Indian singers, I think he's one of my all-time favorites because when he sings and the pain in his voice really makes and touches my heart through and through. So yeah, he.
ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे अरिजीत सिंह बने हैं हार्ट ब्रोकन सॉन्ग्स के लिए, ज्यादातर
Absolutely.
उनकी वॉइस इज ऑसम, अमेजिंग, सो
Yeah, it's
मेस्मराइजिंग.
amazing. Yeah, it is.
और अपार्ट फ्रॉम अरिजीत, इफ आई आस्क यू कि पाकिस्तानी कोई सिंगर पसंद है आपको? अब तो उन्हें बैन कर दिया गया है इंडिया में, बट स्टिल.
Honestly speaking, it's not like I have explored. Like I'm someone, okay, so this is one thing again you can know since we are talking about how I'm weird today and I'm telling you all my weird side and my secrets. So I have this very bad habit, and it's not a bad habit, it's just a thing. And sadly it's because I've gone on my father. So I listen to things, but I like forget the name of the singer or the name of the song. Or if I'll watch a movie, I'll just forget the name until I'll have, so I'm just in general very bad with names, and it's just something I've acquired genetically. So I'm very sure I must have heard Pakistani singers, but I have no names to offer to you.
I might याद आ जाए अली जफर,
Oh
आतिफ
yes,
असलम.
see, yes, oh my
Fateh.
God, how can I believe? Yeah, see, yeah,
I
everybody's
can
heard
see
them.
this.
This is what
Because
thanks Dad. I've genetically acquired this, and I now tell him I would like to just say thanks, Dad. Yeah.
I could see this coming, and these are the names I don't think people will easily forget. So I
They
believe
will.
it's a little.
It is true. I'm telling you, it's true. You have no idea because of this genetic fault, and sorry, not fault, this genetic flaw. I have made a fool out of myself a bunch of times. So,
Oh my God, that's
yeah,
so
it
sweet.
happens.
I
Yeah.
never saw this side, your this this side of yours.
Goofy
ये
side.
बताएं
Yeah.
मेरे, बॉलीवुड में किसकी फैन है आप? एक्टर्स में कौन पसंद है और क्यों?
So okay. So I like this one. Amongst the women, I like Alia a lot. I think one of the reasons why I like her a lot is because I feel that she's very easy flowing in her craft, and it's not like she has a huge method to go about, but I just love how she easily flows into every character, and I'm very envious of how she has been, touch wood, good for her. Like she's been very lucky to have the right kind of roles being offered to her, and of course, like she's made the right choices also, but that's also because she's been very lucky in that aspect. So I really love her. Then I really like Deepika for her eyes. I feel her eyes are very expressive. And that is one thing that I really like in an actor, when a certain emotion can be expressed with just the use of the eyes, and there isn't much that needs to be done. I love that. Amongst the men, I like Ranveer. Ranveer. I also like Ayushmann a lot. I think he's someone who's given us so much variation. He's contributed in that aspect so beautifully. So yeah, so Ayushmann, Ranveer, Vicky, fantastic people that I feel that you can always look up to and learn so much from. Yeah.
The way you just mentioned Ayushmann, I would want to ask you, day before yesterday, I was just watching Bhumika's interview with BBC World. And
Right.
she was mentioning how the chain has been broken in Bollywood. The
Yeah.
different types of movies that are coming up, especially
Yeah.
Ayushmann has been coming with variety of movies, and especially the girls that the sort of roles that they're playing. अगर मैं बात करूँ बाला की, जिसमें वो बॉल्ड है, लड़की जो है भूमिका ने जो रोल प्ले किया है, शी इज डार्क, वेरी
very dusky and very yeah.
और भी ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स उन्होंने प्ले किए हैं, जैसे दम लगा के हाइशा में शी इज बीन एक जो
तापसी आल्सो.
हाँ, तापसी आल्सो, या. सो एक जो मेंटालिटी है थी, जो दैट यूज्ड टू प्रिवेल इन द बॉलीवुड.
Yeah.
What do you think of that? has that chain been broken now? Because usually previously such movies, if you imagine 10 years down the lane, you
Yeah.
can see much more of
Yeah.
variations in Bollywood movies. But अगर आप 10 साल पीछे जाओ, आपको लगता है कि इस तरह की मूवीज लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं?
So I'll tell you, a lot of things have changed simultaneously, which is why it is a very good time for, and I always say this, it's a very good time for everybody right now. You know, whether it's the audience, whether it is people in this industry, in the sense for the makers, it's a very good time for also the artists and the actors, because not one thing has changed, but a lot has changed simultaneously. You know, the first thing that has changed is that our audiences have finally become more open to good content and good cinema. Now you become open to that when you progress as an individual. So, which means that somewhere the population's growth, in terms of the mindset, in terms of the education, in terms of having a broader approach or lookout, has happened, which is why people now want to see the kind of content that is being made. Secondly, I think that what has changed is that initially, like 10 years back, we would glorify an actor, we would glorify a star. You know, it was about, oh my god, that person
Yeah.
and this person, right? But like I said, today it's not about who that actor is, it's about what that actor is playing. So what has happened is, because now people want to watch good content, and because the glorification of stars has sort of reduced, that stardom that used to exist doesn't exist anymore as such, if you think about it. So now the emphasis is on the character and on the story rather than the person who is playing it. A lot of that has happened because of the presence of social media. Why would we as an audience glorify our stars or feel that, oh my god, this person? Was because we had very limited access to them, and because we didn't know much about them. The only time we would see them would be when we would sit in a theater and watch them on the big screen. But now, thanks to social media and other forms of reaching out, what has happened is that today my life is also pretty much accessible to my fans, which is why, of course, there is more relatability involved. So when there's more relatability involved, there's a different connect, but the stardom no longer exists. So all of these things have changed, and all of them have constructively contributed in what is happening today, and which is why it's fantastic that it is that a film, that films like Bala and Andhadhun and women oriented films are being made, and are like something like a Thappad is being made, and it's being genuinely appreciated, and it's actually wonderful. So a lot has gone in this happening. Yeah.
Do you think even your television industry needs, they need to break the chain, they need to come out of uh, the basic, and don't you think it's way too monotonous? If you see, there's still some sort of niche audience, and I would say there are people who are not ready to come out of the comfort zone, who've been making serials that way only. The content, there's not so much of variation. कहीं ना कहीं एक typicality आ जाती है movie serials में.
See, I'll tell you one thing. Because it's my first show, I'm not the right person to even talk about it, because I don't think I have the requisite knowledge and understanding of it. But I do also believe that, and this I say solely as an audience, I feel that it's not the way it used to be before. So what I mean to say is that change has happened. It may not have happened as fast pace as movies or as web, but change is happening. Like when I
Yeah.
honestly tune into Colors, and I think, so I don't get to tune in, but when I think about what are the shows that are coming on Colors, right? Because I'm doing a show for the same channel. So, in terms of content or in storyline, what I see the difference is that, okay, there's a show called Choti Sardani, which is about this girl and how she marries a widower and she's already pregnant with somebody, which is a very complicated and a mature love story, which is a first. Then there is a story which is like Nati Pinky,
Nati Pinky, yes, I was.
yes, right. Then with Nati Pinky today there's a Barrister Babu,
Yeah.
which is also we are talking about how that young girl has been married, right?
Yes.
And what are the complications that revolve around it. Then there is also a show called Vidya, which is which was about how this girl is actually uneducated and she's actually a teacher and she's fooling everybody.
Yeah.
So what I
Yeah.
mean to say is that change from typical Saas Bahu has happened on daily
Yeah.
soaps also, right? But maybe we're still a little slower in the progress, I mean in the pace of it, but we are getting there. So it, and what happens is because TV audience is so what do I say, it's so loyal and it's so strong that you can't, you just have to slowly alter it. You can't expect to just rotate it like that, otherwise it will fall flat. So it's not like it's not happening, it is, but thoda dheere. Yeah.
Do you watch your own episodes? Tell me honestly.
Very honestly, I don't. So, because I have no time. So, initially, what I would do was, initially I used to watch because I think it is very important to watch yourself so that you know how to better yourself, or, just to, I would critically analyze myself. So, I felt it was very important to see myself. So, I used to do that in the initial episodes. Then eventually, when I got comfortable in the skin of the character, I stopped bothering myself so much. In the sense, I stopped being so harsh on myself. So I would only watch certain scenes which I felt were important for me to see. So I would just like skim through it. But now I'm enjoying watching all the episodes again because I've never seen any on TV. I would always just see them on Voot. But guys, because Choti Sardani is now coming on Colors again from the beginning, so please watch it with me. I'm also watching it.
Meher, if I may ask, what do you think of love, and have you been dating? If you're not okay to answer, okay, I wouldn't.
No,
But
it's absolutely fine. I think for me, love is something which is it's just about having someone where there's a very pure equation. It should be a very soully equation, and I'm not someone who's driven by looks or by what the person does, but more by how the person is at heart. And it's very important for me to have a very selfless relationship when I'm dating. I haven't been dating though, to be like I've dated before, of course, but I haven't been dating in the longest time now. I think courtesy probably because I don't have the time to. But yeah, but like I think if and ever I do, I will not be very discreet about it because I love PDA. So you guys will know. Yeah.
Okay, people are asking, what do you do to take care of your skin?
What
do you do to take care of your skin?
Okay. So, drink lots of water. Make sure you have your vitamins. Make sure you moisturize. Make sure you use your sunblock. Make sure you make sometimes, certain homemade packs, maybe like a chocolate cocoa pack or basin sometimes. Just those mummy ke nuske that sort of help. If you don't have the time for that, then you can always, apply like a face mask sheet or something just to sort of like hydrate the skin a little and more like, because at least for me, because I put on so much of makeup, it's very important that I keep masking myself just to keep that glow intact. And guys, but most importantly, eat right and also work out, because then your skin automatically like shines. Yeah.
I'll tell you something. So I have this habit of calling you Meher, 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 right? But
Yeah.
then there are people who've been commenting continuously, Choti Sardarni. I love you, Choti Sardarni. How does
Yeah.
this Choti Sardarni?
So, good you pointed this out because most of the times I also don't acknowledge it. But I think it is, that was the thing about the entire show, that how this girl becomes Shoti Sardani. And it just feels really cool when people actually call me that. I feel like I have acquired some like title or something. It's very
लगता है
nice.
मतलब छोटी सरदारनी नाम से ही लगता है कि भाई दम है समझ रहे हो एक
Yeah, I agree.
डिफरेंट वाइब टू इट आई बिलीव
Yeah, it's just it's very strong and very powerful, like someone who's very independent and fierce, like a very no nonsense sort of a person. Yes.
मैं आई वुड वांट यू टू से दोस लाइंस जो दिखाता है प्रोमो में अर्धांगिनी तो मैं थी सरदारनी तो मैं नहीं क्या मैं थी ही अब बन गई सुहागिनी तो मैं थी बन गई
नहीं
सरदारनी
नहीं
ऐसा
नहीं,
कुछ है ना
गलत गलत.
हाँ आई डोंट नो
Okay, so
रिमेम्बर आई एम आस्किंग
it was basically that सिखनी तो मैं थी ही, अब बन गई शेरनी. That was the line. Yeah.
Okay. I really love that line. Every time I used to, I turn on Wood,
Yeah.
so ये आता है ad and
Very.
I don't see it skipping. Else I skip all the ads. I don't see. But मेरे को ये the way you've said it and the way the music comes, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I'll tell you very honestly, I don't watch TV shows because even we don't get time and people
I
don't
guess.
understand. And the entire day we are there with you guys only. दिन भर हम लोग
Yeah.
फिल्म सिटी में
So
रहते
you
हैं.
see us live. You don't need to
We
watch
return
it.
up
You see us live.
and उसके बाद if you come back home and then you see serials, it's थोड़ा difficult. You don't get time for yourself.
Yeah, I
But
agree.
yeah,
I get it.
so that's the
It's
thing.
fine.
Meher, last two questions I'm just taking from the audience. ये बताएं,
Yeah.
people are asking movie suggestion. जैसे आपने book बोला, the book thief, उसकी मूवी भी बोली आपने, और भी कोई
Yeah.
मूवी अपार्ट फ्रॉम मूवीज एंड सीरीज एंड मूवीज का कुछ नाम बोल दीजिए ताकि लोग अपने क्वारंटाइन अच्छे से बिता सके.
Guys, please watch The Parasite and please watch 1917. Both are amazing. You should watch both of them. Yeah.
वो मूवी में मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है और मतलब you like watching
Exactly
it
right.
more. You don't know what exactly is going on, but जो भी हो रहा है, it's fine.
It's so
You're enjoying it.
gripping. The point is, it's so gripping, and even 1917 is just so fantastic. I mean, it's shot like a one-shot film, in which only 4 or 5 times that you see that one shot has sort of broken, and in the initial 25 minutes, it's a single shot and amazing. Like both the films are just too good. So
Now,
please watch
1917
it.
I haven't watched, so
You
I'll
have
watch.
to watch it. Please watch it.
I will. Have you seen Contagion?
No, I haven't. I will watch it.
What is your full-time favorite movie? Which movie is your full-time favorite movie?
Um, um, mm, mm, mm. So I really like, I love a lot of movies, but I like two movies in particular because they sort of impacted in certain decisions I made in life. One was Begin Again, and the other one is La La Land. So these are my like all-time fave.
I don't know why I so much wanted to watch La La Land और मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा है क्योंकि honestly टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. अभी भी the whole time we are working like this, we're trying to do lives, we are just curating
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
wherever we can content. अब पता नहीं when do I get to. I so much want to watch La La
But please
Land.
do watch it. It's very realistic and it's very true and it's very beautiful. So for someone who
Bollywood movie है?
Bollywood, I wouldn't call it. So like favorite in Bollywood has to be something like, I'll tell you. So there are like always two kinds of movies. One which you can see a lot of times and like laugh and feel good. That's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. And one of the movies that I actually really like, so movies like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, movies like this one Highway. So you know, all of these kind of movies is something that I would like to see. Yeah.
Few web series that you would want to suggest your fans?
So, guys, I keep suggesting this to everybody. Most people don't listen to me because they are idiots. I'm sorry, but you will be an idiot if you don't listen to this. You have to watch it because it is that great. So there's this show called The Man in the High Castle. It is available on Amazon Prime. Please go and watch it. It's regarding the era when there was Nazi rule. And yeah, you really have to go watch it. It's amazing. It's called The Man in the High Castle. Yeah.
Okay, even I haven't watched, and no one told me earlier, so now I won't be an idiot and I'll watch it. Right?
So why I said that is because I've told so many of my friends and they literally haven't seen it, and then cut to 1 year later they're like finally watching it and they're like, oh my god, it's amazing. And I'm like, I've been telling you guys for so long.
The way you said no कि नाजी के वक्त का है, उस era का है, maybe that is one thing जो लगता होगा कि अच्छा उस era का है, देखें. And then once there are movies like that, once you start seeing, then you get to know web series or movies, then you get to know कि भाई है कुछ दम है.
Yeah.
Done with the passions, done with your skincare, done with everything. If you have a message for your fans for quarantine days.
Yes. So guys, firstly, thank you so much that you all took the time out to come and watch this live. It's really sweet. Secondly, I hope कि आप सब लोग अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं and you all are safe and healthy. Please make sure कि आप बाहर ना जाए. I think इतने लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं to finally fight this, and by इतने लोग I mean people who are a part of the the doctors, the nurses, the media, the police, and so many other people. There are so many departments and so many different fraternities of people जो लगे हुए हैं हमारे लिए ये fight करने के लिए. And if we don't support them, then it will all fall apart. So please make sure that हम बाहर ना जाए. And अगर emergency में जाना पड़ा तो please wear your mask के साथ साथ guys don't forget to wear gloves. It's very important to wear gloves because हम अक्सर बहुत सारी चीजें छूते हैं